mpaka kilindini, kashushe nyavu zenu. Yesu alipokwisha kunena, alimwambia Simoni, tweka mpaka kilindini, kashushe nyavu zenu.
Wanakusha wana Comrades.
Kazi ya kutosha usiku kucha. Bwana mkubwa, tumefanya kazi ya kutosha upate kitu. Bwana mkubwa, tumefanya kazi ya kutosha usiku.
Grand Mulla that makes us strong.
Yes.
Yes.
Comrades.
Yes.
I want us to take an act. Hakuna dakika moja before tuanze. Please, where's the chief?
Jack! Where's the chief?
Diagrams are chief. We wait for the chief now. Long live, Mugabe, long live, long live, long live, Obe, long live, long live, younger chief, younger, younger chief, younger. We want to apologize.
Chief, you must apologize.
Nimesema asante sana my comrades kwa kuleta open kutoka Nairobi mpaka hapa, lakini kama unaniongea nasema pole sana kwa yale makosa kidogo. Ile makosa ilifanyika jioni kidogo kwa niaba ya assistant chief wangu. Nasema pole. Mmeleta yeye, mmetusaidia kazi kubwa. Mungu awasaidie. Na mkitoka huko tunawatarajia hapa nyumbani. Nyinyi ndio viongozi wa kesho. Nasema pole kwa mama Open na kijiji na location na kaunti ya Nyavu, pole kwa kumpoteza hii kijana mdogo ambaye alikuwa kijana machachanya kabisa. Kwa hivyo tumesema asante sana kwa ile kazi kubwa mlitufanyia kuleta ndugu yetu Open mpaka nyumbani. Kwa hivyo nimesema asante. Mimi kama China senior chief mimi ni chairman wa machief ya Mira County. Asante sana. Kwa hivyo wote umekuja hapa siku ya leo, nimesema asante sana.
Now that the chief has done the necessary, utaenda walike pale kwa kitabu watie mama kizi. I want to recognize some few student leaders. Wataongea na ubiafu, wataongea three only, sawa? Wapi si wale wako?
Come to the camera. Yes, good. Next.
Comrades, power! Power! Okay, I'm here on behalf of Mama County. We as the Comrades, tunajua Mama County ni nani? Yeah, Anka Gure. Before we came, she has been with us. She was a mentor to Obedi. Amemshikilia mkono. Alipeana Comrades basi mbili. Mnasemaje?
Chenye mama anataka apewe.
Chenye mama anataka apewe. Alipeana Comrades basi mbili, lakini lakini moja inarudi leo, nyingine inabaki hadi kesho. Allow me to read a small message from her. I'm paying tribute to a bright star whose light was extinguished far too soon. Obed Kaiser was not just a student. He was a beacon of inspiration, a statement to hard work, diligence, and unwavering determination. His presence illuminated our halls, his dedication set an example for all to follow, and his impact left an incredible mark on each life he touched. Rest in peace, dear Kaiser. Your journey may have ended, but your legacy will live on in the hearts of all who have the privilege of knowing you. With deepest sympathy and heartfelt gratitude, against Kabure, leader and mentor. Comrades, power! Power! Santeni.
Sawa mama.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, ria! A frog likes water but not hot water. Comrades, power! Power! I want all the name.
Gram. 2 kilograms away from 2 kilograms away. 2 kilograms away.
No one block ground up. Wisdom. We don't block ground up.
Silence, please. Silence, please.
Hakuna Mungu kama wewe. Power! Comrades, powerless. We are not powerless, but we are powerful.
Yes!
We are the source of security and insecurity in this area. That is why the senior chief had to apologize before
He must apologize.
He must apologize. Comrades, power! Comrades, ria! Comrades, achu! I want to say only 3 things. Before even I progress, I want to recognize the honorable presence of Mike Sagana, the incoming Kasarani MP. Mike Sagana, salamia watu bayo.
Viva!
He's been very useful in this process.
Viva!
Very instrumental, and we thank God for him, and may God continue giving you more grace. I also want to recognize the presence of the dental political surgeon, Sheikh Nyavu, who I have not seen before. I just want to give him a minute because he was very close with Ober and that project was going. Let him just say rest in peace. And then go. Comrades, power!
Comrades, power! Comrades, ria! Abana banyasaye mbuyamure?
Mbuyamure.
Ni nchokuru kwa kilo majiwa. Noma teke usi kidogo, lakini natoka Karachuono Kanyago. Na nasema poleni sana kwa familia. Na Owen was a good person and may his soul rest in power. Comrades, power! Comrades, ria!
The last thing I want to say, comrades, we are a group, a large group. There are comrades who, as you see us here, comrades who joined the University of Nairobi as early as 2007, 2006. So we are in different sections. Yes. Thank you very much, and I want to give this opportunity back to Comrade Nyavu. Thank you.
Comrades, power! Comrades, ria! Before I finish, just chila niabuya wave Maluko. Wave 30 minutes. Alafu I want Ogona. Usichike microphone. Just say 2 words. Maluko. Don't visit. Don't move. Comrades.
Yes. Shusha Nyavu.
That Obed loved after this. I want us to sing a song that Obed loved because he was a Manchester United fan. Oh, yes. He was also a Christian, an added Christian. He was also believing in unions, and solidarity song is what we're going to sing. Comrades, power! I'm going to start with the song, then we continue with the chorus. So, then Shusha Nyavu can take us to sit down. Sit down.
Give us one proverb before you proverb. One proverb.
Give us a proverb.
When Grand Mulla's inspiration through the commerce blood shall run, there can be no power greater anywhere beneath the sun. Yet no force on earth is impossible, but the union makes us strong. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For Grand Mulla makes us strong. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. case. Yes. The head must always be on top.
Again.